Right, here now we are going to solve the question of JEE Main 2019 10th January shift 2 paper. Right. So now here in the cell for the following for the following cell potential they have given as 0.92 volts. I'm writing here what they have given. E cell is given that 0.92 volts, right? So first of all you need to understand what is the cell potential for this representation. So for this representation, if you observe as per the galvanic cell representation, they have taken left-handed side cell standard hydrogen electrode and right-handed side they have taken silver electrode dipped into the silver chloride solution. Clear? So as per this, we have to write the first of all equations. You need to try to understand complete equation. So now at a left-handed side cell containing standard hydrogen electrode. So therefore left-handed side we know that oxidation reaction will be takes place. So therefore I am writing that oxidation reaction will be H2 gas is gives rise to 2H plus 2 electrons. This is I am assuming as equation 1. And right-handed side cell we know that silver electrode dipped into the silver chloride solution. At that time it undergo reduction reaction and forms silver. Clear? As per the balancing equation I'm writing it is as 2 moles. Clear? So now for this overall cell potential they have indicated as 0.92 volts. That means overall cell potential, that is H2, right? H2 is the gas. You may also indicate the physical states of those chemical species or substances. Clear? Now here we are writing H2 gas plus 2 Ag plus, okay, now overall cell reaction cell potential I am indicating as per the reaction. So H2 gas plus 2Ag plus is gives rise to 2H plus 2H plus 2 moles of silver solid. This is a complete cell reaction. This reaction they have given cell potential E cell as 0.92 volt. Clear? Now by using the cell potential we have given the complete chemical reactions, right? Now in that solution they have taken 10 power minus 6 molarity HCl. They have taken the concentration of HCl will be concentration of HCl they have taken as 10 power minus 6 molarity. Clear? And we need to calculate the standard electrode potential of silver electrode. We need to calculate the standard electrode potential of silver electrode. Clear? So this is the question. Now for that solving they have given additional information, that is given 2.303 RT by F. You need to take it as 0.06 volts at the 298 Kelvin temperature. So in order to solve this numerical we have to follow the Nernst equation. So the Nernst equation is E cell equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log Kc. Clear? This is simplified Nernst equation, but actually originally we can also write it as E cell equal to E naught minus 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. So as per the data 2.303 RT by F as considering 0.059, but they have given 0.06. So I'm roughly they have given that assuming that value as 0.06. Clear? So assuming as per the data 2.303 RT by F I am assuming as 0.06 lakh case. So now here E cell they have given that as per the data 0.92. Then what about E naught? What about E naught? E naught represents that here, that is E cathode minus E anode potentials under standard conditions, right? Minus 0.06 by N, whereas valency is 1 log Kc. Now we have to write the Kc. Kc we have to follow according to the complete equation. So here I am writing Kc. What is the Kc for the overall cell reaction? See here I am writing Kc as H plus whole square, right? It is in solution into Ag solid concentration whole square divided by H2 gas, that means pressure of H2 gas into silver plus concentration whole square. This silver plus is nothing but here it is silver chloride, that means it is solid. Clear? So this is the Kc for the equation. So now Kc for this equation, as per the data I am substituting. So here H plus, as per the data, this is 10 power minus 6 whole square, right? As per the data, H plus in aqueous solution, that means acid concentration. Here you can observe that acid concentration is 10 power minus 6 and whole square into, this is solid, right? Silver solid. We know that the concentrations of solid will be considered as 1 divided by pressure of H2 gas. In the question they have given as 1 bar into, this is also will be the solid, so therefore we are taking as 1 square. So therefore overall Kc value, I'm calculating Kc, observe here. So overall Kc value, this will be 1 1 1, right? So therefore we are getting 10 power minus 12. Kc value we have got 10 power minus 12. So now that Kc we have to substitute in the Nernst equation. So therefore Kc I am substituting here as 10 power minus 12. Clear? Now 0.92 equal to E cathode. I already explained you the cathode is nothing but it is the silver electrode potential, right handed side, right, minus E anode. In the left handed side, anodic reaction is observed by using the standard hydrogen electrode. That means standard hydrogen electrode potential is 0, right? Here I'm writing E A naught is nothing but standard hydrogen electrode. So for this standard hydrogen electrode, reduction potential will be 0, SRP will be 0, and SOP also will be 0. So therefore here oxidation potential I am taking as 0 minus 0.06 into log 10 power minus 12. We know that log A power m equal to m into log A. So apply this formula in order to solve this. So therefore I'm writing this is as minus 12 into log 10. Clear? Now upon simplifying, 0.92 equal to E naught of silver chloride oblique silver, that means standard electrode potential of silver electrode, minus this one, minus here minus 12 will be there, right? So minus into minus will be plus, and 0.06 into 12 will be 0.72. 12 6 are 72. So here I am multiplying 0.06 into 12, we will get 0.72, and we know that log 10 will be 1, right? Log 10 will be 1. So therefore 0.72 into 1 remains same, 0.72. Therefore E naught, therefore silver electrode potential will be 0.92 minus 0.72 volts, right? So therefore the answer will be 0.20 volts. Clear? Now we'll check the option, which option is the correct answer. Now according to the answer, 0.20 volts means the second option is the correct answer. Clear? So this much lengthy questions they will give in the JEE, so try to understand the concepts and try to sort out in a short way, okay na, as much as possible in the simplification process to get more score easily. Clear?